Welcome back to Quick Tips with your girlfriend Renee, and today I'm talking about Over, which is like the powerhouse app that you need in your life. It is free, but you got to spend money if you want the upgrades, which is like more animated templates, more pretty much access to everything, where the free version you don't have a lot of access, but their stuff is pretty dope. So I would recommend doing the free version until you find out if you like it, and if you feel like you need more, go ahead and upgrade, but we budgeting over here. Okay. Yellow circle, just OVER. It's going to open you up to all of these templates, which is fun. They are free, so you'll see that if you don't, it'll say pro. So you get a little bit of like access to a lot of them. I used this one the other day and I just typed in my own font, added my own things. I'll show you the finished product just like that. And then I did a question sticker on Instagram. So it's really the endless possibilities that this thing offers is awesome. You can add in photo, you can add in text, they have animated products. You can do pretty much anything with this app for free. And what's also cool is that you can do video, which is really hard on Instagram stories. Everybody wants an animated template and they're hard to find. Over has a ton, and it already has the shapes for each platform. So if you want to build an Instagram post, it has the shape for that, the dimensions. If you want to do Facebook, if you want to do stories, it's already built into it. So it just makes it so much easier. So if you click Instagram story, now you can just drag and drop every single thing you want to use. Or you can do their templates and you can create your own. You can change the color, you can add picture, you can literally do whatever it is you want to do. I'll show you, go ahead and, okay, it's just my dog, so it's fine. We'll do that. That's an Instagram story version, right? So you can add in text, or, sorry, this is really hard to do backwards. You can add in another image. So I'll add in another one of my dog and make like a 3D effect. So it'll go in there and you can change it around just like that. Sorry, that was like out of the camera, but you can do that. You can add text, you can do whatever you want, and then you just save it and upload it right to Instagram. Super cool app. It does take a while to learn, so don't feel like you're gonna be a pro in the first second, and if you are, bless you, child. It took me a couple minutes to kind of like navigate it, and I know I'm not using it to its full potential. So it is a free app, highly recommend it, OVER in the App Store, and then start with the free version, work your way up to the pro. You'll be good. Trust me, best app I think I've found so far as versatility. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon.